honestly. Welcome back to my channel. So if you like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because you already know it's a hair review. And make sure you hit that bell so you be notified every time your girl upload, because you know sometimes I be off my schedule, you know YouTube be playing. And make sure you share my video so I can get a little exposure. So let's get on. So why you here? Hey, oh why you here? Hey, oh why you here? Ow. Hello. Nadula just laced me with an easy slide. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Nadula for sponsoring this video. They were kind enough to send me that 13x4 blonde highlight wig, and it's giving, baby. I did get it in an inch, 22 inch, and it is, I'm giving. You know what I'm saying? I am giving, baby. Corvette, hop out the motherfucking jet like that. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm hopping out of the motherfucking jet. I look real expensive, baby. You can't tell me that I don't. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is giving. At first, I was a little scared about the highlights, but I really like them. I really do like them. Honestly, like, perfectly placed. It is giving. Now, the only con that I have with this wig is I feel like it's thin. But it's a straight wig, and I know you girls love, people love on my channel. Y'all know I'm kind of heavy-handed when it comes to the density. So, but I do like a fuller wig, but this is a natural density. This is all the hair. It is a natural density. It's not thin, you know what I'm saying? But it is thin in my opinion. And it's already straight. So, but I am giving Barbie vibes. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm giving like race car driver, you know what I'm saying? But yes, so let's talk about the specs and stuff like that. So I did get a 22 inch. I did have to tint the lace just a little bit. I actually tinted it too dark, but it'll come right out. That was on me, you know what I'm saying? I really didn't have to do all that much with the tinting. Y'all, another con that I did have with this wig is the short hairs, but they were easy to lay down. I just don't like them. I just did a little easy sleek style because I know 13x4s can be very intimidating, you know what I'm saying? And you feel like you have to give hairline, and you don't have to, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know I love to get hairline. Even though my hairline be peeking out, I make it does what it do, you know what I'm saying? But you can do all kinds of styles with this, which I do like about the 13x4. You don't have to do a middle part. You can jazz it up the way you want to, but I always come with something You know what I'm saying? Flipped over. So I decided to give y'all a sleek middle part, and it's giving, baby. You know what I'm saying? So when I washed it, I didn't receive like mad shedding or anything like that. Just the minimal shedding. And when I was detangling, I like a couple strands here and there, but nothing that you should be worried about. So the color is very good. Like this is very good. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate that. Like, look at the, y'all see it's moving and grooving with me, baby. Just because it's straight don't mean it's boom boom. It's coming like, yeah, I'm here, I'm in the room. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Nadulahair, for sponsoring this video. If I missed anything, you know you can leave me a comment down in the comment section. Be sure to check the description box also if I missed some things too. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.